Hi, my name's Keanna, and we're here today making puppy chow for our fun time activity. So, puppy chow, it can be used for any occasion. My favorite, which is Christmas, as you can tell by my decorations and my shirt, we will be making a Christmas themed puppy chow. First, we're gonna start with our ingredients. We're gonna have chocolate chips, peanut butter, and butter. I've already melted them in the microwave, but normally you would wanna do it in intervals, mixing it, making sure it's all mixed together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my 1.5 cups of chocolate chips, 3/4 cup of peanut butter that's already melted, mix them together. I'm also gonna take my butter, go ahead and mix that in there. And I'm actually going to use a whisk that I have to kind of get it all together. It's gonna be super messy, but it's okay, it'll be so worth it. So I'm also gonna take a teaspoon of vanilla, ooh, or more than a teaspoon, shoot. I guess it'll taste a little bit more vanilla-y, I don't know, gonna find out. So yeah, we're just gonna mix this together until we think we have a pretty good consistency. You wanna make sure it's mixed as good as possible, even though like coming up, you will mix it together some more. Just kind of make sure it's all in there. And depending how much you're making, like you can definitely adjust it to how you prefer it, using any kind of peanut butter you want, any kind of chocolate that you want. I personally just like the semi-sweetened regular peanut butter. Like I said, it definitely just depends. As you can tell, we're making a mess, but it's okay, we love messes. So right now, it looks like I have a pretty good consistency. It's melted pretty well, it's mixed pretty well together. After that, you're gonna take your rice Chex Mix. This is about 9 cups. I've already measured it out into the bag. I like using a bag because it's easier to mix the product together and kind of give it evenly spread. My hands are so dirty, like I said, it's a mess up in here. So we're gonna take our 9 cups, we're gonna open it like that. And we're gonna pour just like that. I wouldn't recommend pouring all of it. That way you can zip it up and kind of just mix it around. You wanna get a good coating on it so our powdered sugar will sit on it. And you can mix this any way you want in a bowl. Just be careful like not to crush your Chex Mix, because then what would be the point? We're gonna pour the rest. And your fingers are gonna get messy. Ooh, I told you, mess. Gonna put this together and we're gonna try that again. Dang, I'm popping this. Sheesh. That's pretty mixed well together though, if you ask me. If you ask me, shoot, I got it all over me. I'm just gonna pour the rest of this in here. So while I get this all cleaned up, we're gonna go to a commercial break. And I'll see y'all when we get back.
Oh no! If I show up late to my 10 o'clock class, my professor is gonna drop me. Wait! I just bought my new transportation cloak. It cuts down on my drive and walk time. Right on time. I love this thing. You should get one.
So before the break, we made a mess. Great, but it's okay. We've got everything mixed together. And I like using festive stuff if you can't tell. Christmas. So we're just gonna pour this in here. I think this makes life like so much easier and hopefully less messier because we've already made a mess everywhere else. We're just gonna pour that in there, throw that to the side because gross. Next, we're gonna add our powdered sugar. Now, normally it tells you to add like 2 cups, but I don't do that because I feel like it's not enough. So I just kind of take it and just kind of pour it all around, depending on how much sugar you like. And we're gonna take our lid that has chocolate all over it, because like I said, it's a messy process. We're gonna make sure this is sealed. We not making no more messes after that. Hold tight, and you just shake. Then you go in. As you can see, some of it's been covered, some of it hasn't. So you're gonna come back with some more, because sugar. And then cover and repeat. Oop, almost had a problem. Okay, so at this part, I'm gonna go ahead and add my extras that I like. I like, you know, some peanut M&Ms. It also gives it like some color, you know? So we'll just kind of pour those in, make a mess, because that's what we love to do. I also like pretzels, so if you kind of want like a salty, sweet little thing, you got that going on. Kind of do that. And me personally, like I said, I'm gonna add some more of this because it's not fully covered enough for me anyways. I have another lid that I'm gonna use because that one's just on my nerves. So we'll throw that to the side. Pop this on, maybe. A mess. But it's okay, it's all worth it in the end. So you mix it up, and then I'm also gonna take like this spoon and kind of just, because it's not really working out exactly how I want it to, so you kind of just improvise with it. See what you like, get your sugars around, get that all coated. This finna smack, man. I think it's perfect to bring up to a Christmas party, share with your friends, and it's inexpensive. You could literally buy all these ingredients for less than $10 at the dollar store, obviously, Walmart, whatever. So be straight. Once again, add as much powdered sugar as you like. You're gonna have a lot at the bottom. And you can definitely mix it however you want. If you wanted to put the powdered sugar back in the bag, anything like that, you can. Kind of just mix it. And so since it's Christmas time and we're going to a little party, I have these little decorative packages that are so super cute. And you would just scoop it in there however you like. That was all powdered sugar, as you could see. Kind of mix it around. A lot of powdered sugar. Like that, tie it up, wrap it, and give it to whoever has a gift. To get the full recipe, you can visit www.funtime.com/recipe today. It'll list everything you have. Remember, you can add your own little perks and tricks to it, but mine personally was just to add M&Ms and pretzels. So yeah, don't be afraid to put your own little twist on it, and I hope to see you on the next episode.